Hey, welcome back. 2020's Google launch night is finally here, and here is a quick preview of the devices that Google is going to launch on this launch event. Now, starting from Google Pixel 5, the flagship device from Google, the smartphone doesn't look that impressive. It will come with a 6-inch Full HD Plus display with 90 Hz of display refresh rate. The smartphone is coming with dual camera system at the back and a single circular cutout for the front facing camera, which will be 8 megapixel sensor. And at the back you will get a main wide angle lens and a ultra wide angle lens with a 107-degree field of view. And guys, we all are familiar with old Google phones. Their camera system is really impressive, and we are expecting same with this Google Pixel 5. The smartphone will come with 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage, 4080 mAh battery with wireless charging and standard charging. And the fingerprint sensor is also placed at the back. And now talking about the heart of Google Pixel 5, it is coming with Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset, which is 5G ready chipset. And this chipset is like upper mid-range chipset. And with that, it will come with a very attractive pricing tag. We are expecting that the smartphone will cost from 600 to 800 US dollars. Now moving to the next product that Google is going to launch tonight is Google Pixel 4a 5G. The smartphone will come with almost similar specs with Google Pixel 5. Now starting from the display, the smartphone will come with 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display with 60 Hz of display refresh rate. There is no high refresh rate. Bezels are slightly thicker than Google Pixel 5, and it will also come with circular cutout for the front facing camera, which is a 8 megapixel shooter. Now moving to the back of Google Pixel 4a 5G, the smartphone will also come with dual camera systems at the back, a fingerprint sensor at the back. Now talking about the hardware of Google Pixel 4a 5G, the smartphone will come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset, which is a 5G enabled chipset with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage alongside a 3800 mAh battery. Now talking about the pricing of Google Pixel 4a 5G, the smartphone will come with a price tag of 499 US dollars for Google Pixel 4a 5G. The pricing of this year's Google phone does look very impressive, but the spec sheet doesn't look that great at all. But let's see how these smartphones are going to perform in the markets. Now moving to the next product, Google is also going to launch the new Google Nest speaker. This is more of a follow-up to the original Google Home speaker, which hints of Google Home Max design. Now this new Nest speaker is designed to be placed in portrait orientation, while the bottom right corner is home to the power plug and white cable, which should be removable. Speaker is covered by a fabric, and it will come with a dark grey, light grey, pink and light blue color options. With that, we are expecting some audio upgrades, but let's see how this speaker is going to perform in the market. And with that, the next product is Google Chromecast with Android TV. It is coming with a very attractive price tag between 50 to 60 US dollars, which feels like an absolutely steal. This might be the sleeper hit of the entire Pixel 5 launch event as a result of pricing. Now there are some rumors that Google may release the cheap Nest Wi-Fi and the Pixel Watch. So guys, that's it for now. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace out.